大家，呢個係我獨居 floor 獨居嘅第3日啦。因為呢，我啲 roommate 走晒啦，新 roommate 未搬入嚟啊，佢聽日會搬入嚟，所以呢，今日係我獨居嘅最後一日啦，耶！想講呢，我尋日翻咗工啦，前日就全日，大前日都係全後，都係咁咯。獨唔獨居都係咁，唯一好處就係聽啲嘢唔使執咯，係啊。呢啲就係畢業禮啲嘢，我仲未執翻啦。旅行完嗰個行李篋未執翻啦，尋日用完嘅嘢擺咗喺度未執翻啦。所以今日咧嘅任務咧就係報 Streamate 同埋個 Working Visa 同埋執屋。假期就係咁。我本身諗住10點半起身啦，但係瞓得太傻。相信每一個求其人都 get 到我呢杯咖啡整得幾咁日常。I did a great job, girl。練得好好啊，大家。我隻杯咧 ，Starbucks。整翻少少 cream 主意粉整，冇人話一定要滿晒，因為隻杯係咪先？大家快啲睇下係我整㗎，大乾啊！食飯都凍啦。香港咧冇嘢好睇喎，睇 Off Campus 先。哎呀，問題係仲係我就卡呢片，唔要上去。睇軍草，冇諗咁多。食完飯都未播完個片頭啊！喺同一層發現一隻不明飛行物體，而家急速下降緊。喂，你哋兩個點解冇對譚媽媽師傅行禮㗎？你哋兩個點解冇對譚媽媽師傅行禮㗎？Let's start working。同大家分享一樣幾天嘅，而家係下晝4點。下晝4點啊 ，so what？我哋要 start working。只要你有心，幾點開始都未遲。我哋第一件事報咗 PWGP 先。咁難嘅？問下先。Did you do body test for PWGP? Where did I go for my honeymoon? I don't have honeymoon yet. What was my first pet name? I don't have a pet. What was my last name? Sorry, 睇錯晒。What was the last name of my childhood best friend? No such thing. Who was my most memorable school teacher? No such thing. What was the first organization I worked for? 呢個幾好，幾時先整得完啊？好趕啊！打錯咗，差啲又過時。同大家分享下，我咧唔係好中意我哋證書上面嗰個字體，畢業證書，因為咧佢係好 fancy 嘅字體，係咪得咗啦 ？Oh my god！ 大家我 create 咗 IRCC account 啦，好 lost。我哋而家開始 PGWP， 好難報啊！我揾唔到自己 passport 啊！原來係 China。What is your current country? What is your date of birth? 我嚟啦 ，next。好難用啊！就要真正呢度。點解我又要 sign in 啊？我攰啦，點樣啊？點樣用啊？應該個個都好似我咁棘㗎嘛。Almost there 嚇死我！救命啊！
做咩啊？我出邊食嘢啊！
都係
廁所有問題咁問，
好多問題，煩啊！好難申請啊！我 create 完 account 已經崩潰咗啦。
PWP 已經唔難申請，最難申請嘅 Streamate，你唔使擔心佢唔會拒絕你。
我嗰時點樣申請 SIN 㗎？點解咁勁嘅我？我想試呢個糖啊，好酸啊！仲有咩喎？好飄啊！見唔見到啊？勁似啲 particles。我想睇翻哇！嚇死我啦！嚇死我啦！我以為我 undo 咗成個嘢。Can I approve that？ 咁點啊 ？Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your application or profile。想講咧，我整呢個整咗成2個半鐘，因為我過咗1個鐘先開始計時，所以我整咗2個半鐘。天黑咗勁多。我決定整炒飯，順便 meal prep 埋。Good day, mate。 勁靚，隻蛋勁靚。Oh my god！ Oh my god！ 哇黐線㗎！黐線㗎！咁有個天，邊個 laundry 啊？好香啊！10點半之前咧，我可以執好間房，然後去咗倒垃圾，就咁話 Let's start 多。沖完涼。My last entry to Canada 應該係 place 係咩意思啊？會我最近一次入境加拿大應該係歐洲嗰次。我喺邊度飛翻嚟？應該英國㗎。Trip that 係唔會有做完嘅一日嘅，所以而家應該做咩啊？休息。stream 聽日先啦。而家係要搞啲 reels 同 YouTube 嘅嘢，同大家分享下 edit 嘅時候，我有一個專屬位置。就係呢度咯，我唔攤喺張床度，我剪唔到片，我哋要攤咗喺度先剪到片。哎呀，佢哋睇電視啊！我勁認真，佢唔勁厚，好搞笑。記憶力差就有呢個好處，睇嗰個都唔記得。嚟啊，我哋寫埋 schedule 瞓覺咯。寫完瞓覺，聽日迎接 roommate， 唔知佢幾點嚟嘅，講真，好緊張啊！希望我唔喺度啦，因為要打招呼。話希望冇悶親大家，因為都幾悶下，我都 feel 到我呢個獨居 vlog。最識冇隻貓啦，或者冇隻狗啦，咁樣都冇咁悶啦，係咪？我完全冇落過街啦，仲要。